How to unhide post from Facebook timeline. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and simple way to unhide post from your Facebook timeline. If you have accidentally hidden a post or changed your mind about hiding one, don't worry. It's an easy fix, so without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open up the Facebook app and make sure that you are logged in into your account. Once you are inside the Facebook, simply tap on the three dash icon shown on the top right corner and you will enter the menu section. From there, simply scroll down and tap on Settings under Settings and Privacy. From there, you need to simply scroll down and tap on your time on Facebook under the Preferences. Once you see the interface like this, simply tap on See Time of the first option. After that, tap on See Activity Log and you will be prompted to the activity section. From here, you need to simply scroll down and tap on your Facebook activity and you will see a lot of options under it. From that option, you need to simply tap on Manage Post. After that, you need to tap on Post Hidden from your profile and you will be prompted to your hidden post. Once you are there, simply select the post that you want to unhide and the three options will pop up. From there, simply tap on Restore to Profile and your post will be restored again to your profile. And there you go. Super easy, right? I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.